Good day, ROFFS analyst James here, and it is currently Tuesday, January 7th, 2025. We hope everyone is having a happy new year. Today we'll be taking a quick look at the ocean conditions from the west coast of Florida and along Alabama and Louisiana to the east coast of Texas, looking at some of the ocean conditions you may have experienced having gone offshore this past weekend. Overall, we continue to observe a large filament of loop current water pushing into the central to western Gulf of Mexico, shown here. This is resulting in a relatively elongated loop current eddy formation oriented in a east to west orientation off of the Mississippi River area. Several smaller eddy formations can be observed along the frontal boundary of this larger loop current eddy, moving in a clockwise direction around the larger eddy. One of these former frontal boundary eddy formations can be observed south of Mobile Bay, shown here. This smaller eddy formation did bring some warmer, somewhat bluer water to the north-northwest, just off of the DeSoto Canyon before coming back south near the Gulfport and Redfish Valley area, southeast of the Mississippi River Delta. However, as a larger counterclockwise eddy off of Destin and some cooler, greener water moving east off of the South Pass area continued pushing eastward, some of this warmer, bluer water got pushed back east towards the DeSoto Canyon area. Flipping over to our ocean color imagery, we can see some of those features in chlorophyll, the bluer loop current water pushing into the eastern and western and central Gulf of Mexico and coming back east, as well as the somewhat blue water moving north-northwest off the DeSoto Canyon and then pulling back east further inshore near the DeSoto Canyon. Another frontal boundary eddy formation, shown here, has been observed due south of the South Pass area, moving eastward along the northern boundary of the larger loop current eddy. As this eddy continues to move eastward, we anticipate it could become another one of these large former frontal boundary eddy formations, helping bring some warmer water closer to shore near the DeSoto Canyon area off the Florida Panhandle in Alabama. However, because of the elongated nature of the loop current eddy, we've been observing a lot of this warmer, bluer water pushing further east, southeast, as some of this warmer, bluer water enters the Gulf Stream. You can see some of this bluer water moving southeast. This southeast flow of water off of the Florida Panhandle has also resulted in relatively cool, somewhat greener water, kind of blue-green water, moving south towards the ledges off of Tampa Bay and Fort Myers. However, there still remains some somewhat warmer, slightly bluer, though unstable water inshore off Tampa Bay and Fort Myers, as you can see here. Now looking at the western Gulf of Mexico, stay in our ocean color imagery where we can see a combination of a clockwise and counterclockwise rotating eddy formations offshore of the Texas-Mexico border. This is pushing some of that warmer, bluer water right into the Texas Canyon area, with some of that water pushing inshore heading south, while the rest moves offshore into about 500 to 750 fathom depths, heading towards the Houston Mound area offshore of like the Aransas Pass area. Again, you can see the warmer water moving northwest and pushing into the Texas Canyon area, and some of it being pulled southwest while majority of it goes eastward. With this in mind, a series of smaller counterclockwise rotating eddy formations further north, shown here, have helped to pull some of this warmer, bluer water back inshore near the east breaks, actually near the flower gardens to the east breaks, and just east of the Baker Rocks area off of Aransas Pass. You can see that better in our ocean color imagery with the green water moving offshore north of the Texas Canyon, with some of that bluer water near the flower gardens and east breaks area. Remember, these ocean conditions are always changing, so be sure to head to ROFFS.com or call our office at 321-723-5759 to order updated analyses for each of these areas. Our winter office hours are Monday through Friday from 9 till 5 until May 1st, as we begin to enter the 2025 spring and summer season. Have a good day.